Ladies and gentlemen, today we're looking at Klaviyo. We're going to have a look at HubSpot. We're going to see which one the better option for your business, and we'll explore some of the features and see what they have to offer. So let's jump in. So starting out in Klaviyo, which I believe is a really feature-rich platform, we're currently on the dashboard, and you'll see on the left-hand side your menu. As usual with all the platforms, you have your menu where you can pretty much break everything down in terms of your audience, all of your content, your workflows, your campaigns, and so forth. Now, what I want to actually show you is HubSpot pretty much has the very same thing. On the left-hand side, it's got its menu. But there's one specific thing that I want to focus on today, and that is creating workflows and using it effectively. Now, workflows basically allow you to create a flow of actions that are triggered by an action, and then there's a result. And this just makes your life easier. So there's a bunch of stuff that you don't even have to do. It's all done for you. So you go into flows here on Klaviyo. I'm going to simultaneously be going over to automations on HubSpot. I'm going to go to workflows, and on Klaviyo, I'm going to jump in and I'm going to show you all of the workflows that they have. Okay, so as you can see, we have some recommended flows. We can look for more over here. There's tons of workflows. Now, if you have an e-commerce website and you can create these email flows which automatically gets sent to your customer when any one of these actions happen. So for example, if you say use flow on the abandoned cart, if somebody's shopping and they abandon their cart, this email gets sent to them. Now, basically what happens is it starts with a trigger and you can completely customize everything within here. Okay, so as you can see, all of these actions over here are actually customizable. So all you need to do is click on the actual card and you can fully customize it. So let's just go next here, and you can see that everything is completely customizable, and I love how easy it is to actually do this. With HubSpot, again, it's pretty much the same thing. You are able to create your own workflows over here. If you go back into automations, they also have sequences that you can run. So again, starting from scratch, or you can use one of their templates. And I think it's fantastic. However, you do need to upgrade on HubSpot to actually get any of these workflows to actually use effectively. Klaviyo does offer a bunch of workflows within its free plan, and if you are regular on the channel, you'll know that we love free software. It's the best. They also have a bank of templates. So if you go into templates over here, just under content, on the left hand side, you got a bunch of email templates. So if you're not really wanting to design like your own really eye-catching template, you can see here that it's all here for you. So if you know anything about design or creating something that looks like this, it doesn't just happen immediately. It's time consuming to create something like this. So using templates and using presets really helps. As you can see on the left hand side, you can completely customize this. Every one of these elements are movable. You can remove them. You can change their area that they're on this page of. You can add new elements over here. So it's really easy to customize absolutely everything within Klaviyo. And I think that it's just so much easier to use Klaviyo than some of the other websites or some of the other platforms that I've used. HubSpot, again, they are fantastic in what they do. However, I just feel that they could offer just a little bit more within their free plan. So at the end of the day, having a look at Klaviyo and having a look at HubSpot, if you are a beginner in the game and you want to be able to ease your workflow, if you want to increase productivity, I would 110% go with Klaviyo because it just makes your life a whole lot easier. If you like this video, drop us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Peace.